Hi everyone, just gonna show you guys how I got this blue teal color with Yiroo hair starting from 1B. They sent me 3 bundles of 22 and an 18-inch frontal, and you'll see me mixing my land silk 40%, 40 volume, 12% peroxide and land silk blue. The roots off camera, left the hair dye in for about 40 minutes, rinsed it out, conditioned the hair, and this is the finished result. As you guys can see, it does have aquamarine and blue undertones, and that's because I didn't bleach it as light as it could have been. But I'm quite happy with this. I wore this to carnival, if you saw on my Snapchat or Instagram, and I'll insert another clip of me with the hair at the end as well as at the beginning of the video. See you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I created this pink look with my blue wig from Yiroo hair. They were kind enough to send me 24, 22, 22 and an 18-inch frontal, and I showed you guys how I colored this hair in the video before this, so you should know how I got this hair color already. I'm just straightening the unit now. You'll see me brushing through it. I wore this hair to carnival, so I was up and down all day, and I didn't wash the wig, and as you can see, like, it's not tangled, it's not shedding or anything. I also bleached the hair twice to get it to this color, so that in itself proves that the hair is really good quality. As you guys can see, I'm just adding some small baby hairs. I also need to cover my track, but let's ignore that. All my wigs are glueless. I do not make them so that I have to stick them down, but I do if I'm going out, because like nobody wants to like deal with wig sliding or whatever when they're out. Just showing you guys the hair texture and you know what it looks like and all that jazz. Then we're gonna get into the makeup look after I get my flyaways laid. Spray, but this has some MAC Fix Plus pink light in it, which is why I've got that stupid pink blotch on my face. But I am done. This was really out of my comfort zone. Yeah, I tried guys, that's all I can say.